sun on.
Hello, it is bedtime. Hello from the master bath. You ready, Sebastian? Oh, everybody's tired. Them probably more because they got up and ran on the beach at what, 6:30? 7?
5:30.
5? Well, 5:30 is when you got up.
5:15 when we got up.
What?
6 was when we ran.
I was saying when you ran.
That was my name.
I was asking if you were done. Okay. I'll wait for you. But I woke up and I was about to get in the shower when they finished their run. So they came back to change and I finished and we went to breakfast together at Swami's. And I had the most amazing orange cranberry waffle that I could totally eat again tomorrow. Like, it was so good. I had about half and brought the rest home to Jack's, as well as some leftover scrambled eggs and potatoes to make a nice meal. California's so expensive that if they give us a big serving, it's much friendlier to bring home everybody's leftovers. But after that, we chilled at home. I would have loved to go visit Nana, but Denise says maybe later in the week. And we were just waiting for it to get warm enough to go to the beach because Sebastian really wanted to go to the beach. So I decided that I hated the way I was crocheting the squares together on my coatigan, whatever it is. I thought I would be okay with it. It makes it ridgy between each square, but it's like, that's just the way it is. It'll be fine. When it's heavy, it'll kind of flatten out, but it was not flattening out. So I started taking it all apart and sewing them together. And I'm still working on it. I'm down to one sleeve. The sleeves are tough to get apart. But I'm almost done, and then I'll get those all sewn together and I can go back to making new squares and finishing. The arms are very long, I will say that, but I mean, because you're going in intervals of one square, they're either going to be too short or too long, and I'd rather them be too long, so it's what it is. And yeah, so we waited till a little after noon, and then I'm gonna put you down because I really want to put my watch on. And then we drove to Encinitas and parked there. I mean, we're right along the beach, a few blocks away from the beach here, but Danny wanted to go to Encinitas, and he kept saying we could go to Modern Times, which is like a brewery. Well, it used to be a brewery. Now I think they don't make their own beer or something. I don't even know. He wanted to go, but also he was complaining that it had changed. So I don't know what the deal was, but he said the food was good. So we went there and we ate something and then walked to the beach. Hung out there. I alternated between feeling comfortable and feeling absolutely frozen. But Sebastian had a blast, and that was what was important. And we saw some dolphins, and it was a really nice beach. I liked it. Then packed up, got stuff in the car, got us cleaned up and stuff, and headed home. And then it was already dinner time, so Sebastian showered and, ooh, I'm blue now. Sebastian showered and got changed, and we headed to walk to dinner. We walked to Pizza Port and we ate, and Sebastian played some of the games.
Don't kill them.
I can't, it's too dark. You turned off the light already.
Don't kill them and pass it to me.
They won't see it, you're just dark. Your darkness. They absolutely won't see. Ew, why are your hands wet?
Because they're just in the water.
We should dry them. That's what towels are for.
And they only go around.
But,
Look.
yeah, they have arcade
Look
machines.
at my new friends that I got.
Two little squishy capybaras. The claw machine was a fail. We did research and learned that there's a setting on a claw machine that the technician can set to give out the prizes, well, to make the claw grab tight enough to pick up a prize every like 1 in 10 times or so, whatever they set. So that's frustrating to learn that. There's a part of a piranha plant in here.
Yeah.
Interesting. Anyway, so we did that, walked home, brought Jax a pizza. We stopped at an alcohol store because Dan likes to get bottles of beer they can't get at home. And we got a few snacks. We have a few more snacks. I do need to shop for the flight attendants before we head home. But now, we played the kids' Cards Against Humanity again. And now we're gonna go to bed. Danny's probably gonna be snoozing, honk shoeing by the time I'm out of here, but I have to do kid bedtime. So here we are. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for Thursday. Stay safe, be kind, and don't forget.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.